My favorite fruit is apple. It has a red and green color. Apple is a healthy fruit. It's very delicious. Apples are rich in vitamins. I eat apple every day. An orange is a juicy fruit. It is orange is color. In color it is round in shape. The taste of orange is sweet and sour. Orange is very good for health. They are a good source of vitamin C and fiber. I love to eat oranges. Banana is my favorite fruit. It is sweet, tasty and soft. It is yellow in color and has no seeds. My mom usually makes banana cake for the family. I eat bananas every day. It's really good for our health.